Hello and good day to everyone. Today I'm introducing a new idea I came up with, and I call it Razzo Glue. It's crazy as it sounds, but it works pretty good. It's something I did in the garage. I made an adhesive that I could put together that is non-conductive, very strong, has some resiliency with it, malleable, and great for a coating, gluing together pieces, great for a vibration environment, and in marine uses would be excellent. So if you need a strong glue, give it a try. Here we go. Let's try this thing. I'm doing this with one hand, so okay, as you can see, we've got two parts, A and B of epoxy. This is Harbor Freight material, A and B, and we got your silicone glue or sealant here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of the part B or A and then mix it together here with part B. We're going to then mix these two together real good. And then we're going to take an equal amount of silicone glue right there. Once we get this really mixed up really good, we're going to add our silicone to it like that. Now you're going to see this stuff turn very, very white. Very, very white. And you know it's fairly mixed. Want to make it a homogeneous compound here. Get it really good and mixed well. Okay, now we got it mixed well, we're going to do some things with it. First of all, let's glue two bolts. Let's put a little bit of our glue here on the bolt. Put them together. We're going to do another item here. We're going to take this copper wire and we're going to coat it. Real good. When you don't have wire nuts, it's going to work real good for you. I don't have I'm working with one hand here, so already the glue is starting to set up. As long as we got it good and coated now, we'll set that aside. And we got one more piece here. Let's take a little bit of some plastics. Dip that in there like that. Set it on top of that. And here's our glue. So we got part A, part B, and some silicone. Mix them together into a white compound. Glue them together. Or stick them together and go from there. We'll see how they turn out. Okay, after curing, let's see how this stuff looks and feels. And if you take a look at this guy here, he is like, that's a hard plastic, man. You can see that's just a plain hard. That's a very hard plastic. Smooth, nice. That'd be a great crack fellow, or hard like a rock. This guy here, you cannot break that apart. I tried my two hands and I couldn't do it. I could not break that apart. This guy here, same deal. You're not going to break it apart easily, no matter what you do. That's hard, man. That's like hard plastic. Extremely hard plastic. And non-conductive. Great for marine environment. It's like making plastic. Actually a hard plastic with a little resiliency but mostly hard. Hard like a rock. I wish I had two hands and I wouldn't show you. I can't pull it apart. But it's the bottom line here. You can't. No, you can't break it. That's done. You can't do it. Anyway, that's called Razzo Glue. My Razzo Glue that I thought I'd put together and show some people who may have some. You might have some uses for it. I'm sure you will if you want some hard plastic with a resilient coating. This idea, some silicone, epoxy A, epoxy B, and you got a rock solid joint there, buddy. I hope you enjoy it. Have a good day.